Happy morning, dear students. How are you? I know all of you are keeping well, but just nowadays the lockdown is going on. Just all of you stay home, stay safe, and wash your hand and sanitize your hands. Okay? And make the social distance. Always wash your hands for 20 seconds and keep yourself healthy. Okay? And have a nice day. Now, what I am going to take today, the linear equation by second method, it is called substitution method. Okay? See, what is the substitution method and how to solve? In my previous lecture, I have told you about the method of elimination. Now I am going to teach you today the method of substitution. Let us see how. If I am writing the equation x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2. These are the two equations. And by the method of elimination, you can solve by yourself easily. Just you can write here on AD, plus y minus y will get cancelled, plus x and plus x become 2x, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2, it means x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3 is the solution, then you can put here and you can find the value of y. But now I am teaching you the method of substitution. How to solve by the method of substitution and what you have to do. Just you take any equation by your choice. You take any equation by your choice and find the value of single x or single y. Let us see how. I am taking the first equation. X plus y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Transfer y plus y on this side. It becomes minus y. And just make a box here. This is the value of x. X is equal to 4 minus y. And this value you got from the first equation. Now what you have to do? You have to put this value of x in the second equation. It means x minus y is equal to 2. So in place of x you can put here 4 minus y. So 4 minus y is equal to 2. It means 4 minus y becomes, this is 2y is equal to 2. So minus 2y is equal to 2. Transfer plus 4 on this side, minus 4. So minus 2y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. And now you can find the value of x. So x is equal to 4 minus y. In place of y you can put here 1. So x is equal to 4 minus 1. So x is equal to 3. The value is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. This is the solution. Clear? This is called the method of substitution. Again see, x plus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 2. What you have done? Just you have to find the value of single x or single y with the help of any equation. So x plus y is equal to 4. This I have taken. Transfer plus y on this side. So x is equal to 4 minus y. So x is equal to 4 minus y. Now they put x is equal to 4 minus y in this second equation. X minus y equal to 2. In place of x you can put here 4 minus y. 4 minus y equal to 2. So 4 minus y minus becomes minus 2y. So minus 2y equal to 2. So minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 4. Minus 2y equal to minus 2. So y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 1, you can put here x is equal to 4 minus 1, x is equal to 3. This is called the method of substitution or substitution method. Now one more question. Two x plus 3y equal to 4 and 3x minus 3y is equal to 1. These are the two equations. And now you have to solve by substitution method. Let me brush up the elimination method also. 2x plus 3y equal to 4. 3x minus 3y equal to 1. What you can do? You can write here on adding. Plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. 2x plus 3x means 5x. 5x is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. X is equal to 5 by 5 means x equal to 1. X equal to 1 you can put in any equation and you can find the value of y. But now I am teaching you method of substitution. What you have to do? Find the value of x or y from any equation by your choice. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. You can find the value of y. You can find the x also, no problem. 3y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So y is equal to 4 minus 2x upon 3. Now this is the value of y. Y is equal to 4 minus 2x upon 3. Now you have to find the value of x. Let us see how. 3x minus 3y equal to 1. So in place of y, you can put 4 minus 2x upon 3. So see, 3x minus 3y equal to 1. So in place of y, you can put 4 minus 2x upon 3. So 3x minus 3 into bracket. 4 minus 2x upon 3 is equal to 1. Okay. Now this is the sign of multiplication. So 3 into 4 minus 2x upon 3. Okay. You can cancel 3 here also, no problem. Or you can multiply 3 in the numerator. Okay. Upon here 1 you can write 3x upon 1 minus, you can multiply by 3. 3 4 are 12 minus 6x upon 3 is equal to 1. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 3. 1 divides 3, you will get 3. 3 into 3, 9x minus 3 divides 3, 1. 1 into this whole term. And the sign is, minus sign is there outside the bracket. The sign will get changed. So it becomes minus 12 plus 6x is equal to 1. Now 9x plus 6x means 15x minus 12. 3 into 1 equal to 3. So 15x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Now you can put x is equal to 1 here and you can find the value of y. I hope this is clear to you. Again I would like to explain. So y is equal to 4 minus 2x upon 3. In place of x you can put here 1. So 2 into 1 becomes 2. So 4 minus 2 means 2. So y is equal to 2 by 3. Here x is equal to 1. 1 you can put here. 2 into 1 is 2. So 4 minus 2 means 2. So 2 by 3. Answer is y is equal to 2 by 3. Again see. I am taking the first equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 4. So 2x plus 3y equal to 4. So 3y is equal to 4. Transfer plus 2x on this side. So 3y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Y is equal to 4 minus 2x upon 3. So y is equal to 4 minus 2x upon 3. In place of y, you can put 4 minus 2x upon 3. Take the second equation. 3x minus 3y equal to 1. In place of y, you can put here 4 minus 2x upon 3. Now multiply by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6x upon 3. LCM is 3. 1 divides 3. 3 into 3x, 9x. 3 divides 3, 1. 1 into this. Minus 12 plus 6x is equal to 1. 9x plus 6x means 15x. 3 into 1 means 3. So 15x minus 12 equal to 3. So 15x equal to, transfer minus 12 this side. So 15x equal to 15, x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, you can put any here, anywhere, here, here or direct here. I am putting here. तो y is equal to 4 minus 2x upon 3. X is 1. So 2 into 1 means 2. So 4 minus 2 means 2. 2 by 3. Now you can put here. X is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 3 into y is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 3 3 cancel. So 2 plus 2 means 4. It means our answer is right. Clear? This is called method of substitution. One more question I am taking. X plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 4 you can take. These are the two equations. Again we have to solve by method of substitution. Again you have to find the value of x or y. I am taking now the second equation. X minus y is equal to 4. Now you can find the value of x. X is equal to 4. Transfer minus y on this side plus y. So x is equal to 4 plus y. This is the value of x. Now put this value of x in another equation. X minus y is equal to 4. In place of x you can put 4 plus y. So 4 plus y minus y is equal to 4. In place of x you can put 4 plus y. So 4 plus y minus y is equal to 4. This we have got. We cannot put here because we have got the value here. X is equal to 4 plus y. Now, because this we have got the value from second equation. It means we cannot put in the second equation. We can put in the first equation. So x plus y is equal to 2. So in place of x you can put 4 plus y. What was the problem there? Because you are getting the value x is equal to 4 plus y in this equation. Again you cannot put this in this equation. It means you have to put in the other equation. So x plus y equal to 2. In place of x you can put 4 plus y. So 4 plus y plus 2 is equal to 2. So 4 plus y is equal to 2 minus 2. So 4 plus y equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4. Now you can find the value of x. X plus y is equal to 2. In place of y you can put minus 4. So x plus minus 4 equal to 2. So x minus 4 equal to 2. X is equal to 6. The solution is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 4. Put here x is equal to 6 and y equal to minus 4. 6 minus 4 means 2. This is the solution. See how to check. I am telling you how to check the solution. X plus y is equal to 2. In place of x you can put 6. 6 plus in place of y you can put minus 4. So 6 minus 4 means 2. This is 2. It verifies the equation. It means our answer is right. This is called substitution method. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day.